Three friends divide rupees 391 in three proportional parts. 1 by 2 is to 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4. How much does the second one get? Now, let's assume the names of the three friends as A, B, and C. So the ratio A is to B is to C is 1 by 2 is to 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4. Now, whenever you get a ratio in fractions, what you have to do is to convert that into ratio of integers, you have to multiply throughout by the LCM of all denominators. Now, the denominators here are 2, 3, and 4. So, the LCM is 12. So, we multiply throughout by 12. So, that becomes 1 by 2 into 12 is to 2 by 3 into 12 is to 3 by 4 into 12. So A is to B is to C ratio comes out to be 6 is to 8 is to 9. Now we want to find out how much does the second one get. Now the second one, that is B, will be getting 8 because that is the proportion of the second person, 8 upon 6 plus 8 plus 9. The addition of all these numbers in the ratio multiplied by the total amount, that is 391. So it becomes 8 upon 6 plus 8, that is 14, plus 9, that is 23. So 8 by 23 into 391. So 391 divided by 23, we get 17. And 17 multiplied by 8, we get the answer as 136. So the answer for us will be option D, 136.